300 Celsius degrees around this area. Hey, a different way, slightly different way. We can translate this to the manufacturing process. No, it's not going to work in a factory. Okay, pause. Beep, beep, beep. On pause. Pause. Beep, beep, beep. On pause. Beep, beep, beep. First one leg and then the other. That makes sense. Pause. Beep, beep, beep. On pause. Beep, beep, beep. Okay. Okay, pause. Beep, beep, beep. Okay, again. On pause. Beep, beep, beep. One leg first. What's up?
It's nice work.
Spelling, working. Okay. One leg first. Then, okay. Then again, one leg first. Ah! Then close it, moving up. So it makes the clamping force here. Okay, a little more heat, sorry, more time. Up. Okay, one leg first. Damn, it's difficult. Exactly. Yeah. Exactly. Yeah.
No, you can do it.
All right, thank you. This is another way to do it vertically.
Yeah, but it works better, I guess. 'Cause
Yeah.
it has the tension by itself, so you just that one has a spring in it.
Yeah, and this is okay. Imagine a spring here also, but it's vertical, coming up and down from vertical.
You need the spring.
All right. Yeah. We got it. That is why these tie wraps. Okay, this is the limit exactly. Align it to this. Yep. Beep, beep, beep. Okay, hold it. Release. Again, one leg first, then the other one. Release and hold. Okay. Okay, the sign is the bubbling, so two are not doing well. That and that is not doing well. Alright, release, contact close to that one. Come on, I cannot waste it. No, it's too much time. One leg first, the other. Let's go. Okay, it cannot be too much time. Alright, one leg, use it for pushing down. Yo, it's not going to work, it's going to stick. Oh, did not stick. Alright, again. Okay, just melt. Okay, it's not going to work. It's not evaporating. Evaporation or whatever, melting. Not good, not good. That is for later. So I need to take it out right now. Okay, 8 minutes. Too much time. Too much. Stop. Beep boop boop.